Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge your AC on this 2004 Ford Expedition. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, start your vehicle. Then we're going to turn our temperature settings all the way to the coldest setting. Turn our AC on. Turn our blower speed all the way up to the highest setting. Make sure you also do the same for your rear temperature settings and blower speed. Now pop your hood. Right here is your low pressure AC port. So we're going to take this cap off from here. I've got this AC Pro recharge kit here. I really like this long hose that they have. We're going to take the fitting here. You're just going to push it onto the low pressure port until you hear it click on there. Like that. It should stay on by itself. Now we can see on the gauge here that this is doing a pretty classic thing when you're low on refrigerant. You'll see the needle bobbing back and forth here. So you just saw it just pop back up here. It's going to get up here and then it's going to start drawing back down. That's because when your compressor kicks on right there, it starts sucking in the refrigerant, and then when the pressure gets too low, the sensor turns off the compressor and the pressure pops back up when it equalizes. So we are going to add refrigerant until that needle will just stay steady right about 40-45 psi. So to add refrigerant, we're going to squeeze the trigger and then we'll oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. You just keep doing this while your compressor draws in the refrigerant. You'll notice that when the trigger is squeezed, the gauge does not read. When you let your finger off from the gauge, then the needle shows a pressure reading. So you're just going to keep the trigger squeezed and keep adding refrigerant to the system until the needle stays steady and does not bob around. Well, unfortunately, I only had a partial can here. I think I probably put in about 12 ounces and I haven't quite gotten it to where it should be. You should get it to where this needle just stays steady and it's not bobbing back and forth like this. It should just stay steady. It'll start out staying steady lower down here about 30-35, and you want to fill it up until you stay steady at about 40-45 psi right there. But this does show you the process. It's very simple to add the refrigerant. You just squeeze the trigger, oscillate the can, make sure you keep the trigger squeezed. This could take you 10 to 15 minutes depending on how low your system is. One very important thing here is you do not want to overfill your system. If you put it up to 50 to 60 psi here, you'll actually damage your system and your AC will not run colder, it will run worse. So there's a sweet spot right there, about 40-45 psi. To release this connector, you're just going to pull on this ring right here by my thumb and my finger back here. It'll just pop right off like that. And we can put our cap back on the port. And you're all set. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.